Hi, I'm Sean from Gas Patrol, and today we're doing a review for Tool Talk on the Monuments Pro-Fit holesaw set. Now these holesaw sets are absolutely fantastic when it comes to cutting holes. Compared to your standard holesaw set, which would generally burn its way through wood and get stuck, and then you have a nightmare trying to get the holesaw off. These, simply place it on, push it in, clicks in place. Now let's test it out and see what it's like. To use it, just turn it in. Let's give it a go. Okay. Now to unstick the wood, simply pull that up, quick release on it, and then just flick the piece of wood out. And there we have it. Nice and easy, very simple to use. That is a 20mm hole, and it cuts it through very nice, very cleanly. Very good cuts. Now let's try out the 25mm. See how we do. Again, just slide it on, clicks into place, and off you go. There we have it. Absolutely fantastic hole saws. Nice cut straight through. Hell of a lot quicker, and I would definitely recommend. Thanks again.